Here are the 5 best herbal teas home remedies for kidney repair. Today, we're brewing something special for your kidneys. Kidneys play a crucial role in our body, filtering waste and extra fluids. But what happens when they're not at their best? That's where we step in with nature's own solution. Kidney issues often arise from inflammation, fluid retention, and toxins. Fortunately, certain herbal teas are nature's gift, packed with anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and cleansing properties to combat these challenges. Ever wondered which herbal teas are your kidney's best friends? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 best herbal teas that you should be sipping on daily. Now, let's embark on this flavorful journey to kidney health. Are you ready to discover your new favorite tea? Number 5. Ginger tea. This zesty and flavorful beverage is not just a delight for the taste buds, but a powerhouse of health-boosting antioxidants. Ginger's therapeutic potential in enhancing renal function has been highlighted in research involving kidney disease patients. Plus, ginger tea aids in preventing stomach ulcers and alleviating digestive issues like indigestion and constipation. To prepare ginger tea, thinly sliced fresh ginger, about 1 inch per cup of tea. Combine with water in a saucepan, bring to a boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. Strain and enhance with lemon or honey. Number 4. Nettle leaf tea. Loaded with essential minerals and possessing remarkable cleansing properties, it's particularly supportive of the urinary tract. Nettle leaf tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, making it a great choice for those dealing with chronic conditions like chronic kidney disease. Crazy funny fact, did you know that in medieval times people believed that drinking nettle tea could grant you invisibility? While we can't promise you'll disappear, we can guarantee that it'll make your kidneys feel invincible. Number 3. Green tea. It's not just a delight to sip, but can also aid in kidney repair. Green tea's high catechin content fights cell damage and reduces the risk of heart disease and cancer. Brew high-quality loose-leaf green tea for maximum benefits. Pour non-boiling water over the tea leaves and let it steep for about 10 seconds. Then, discard this water and pour hot water onto the leaves, steeping for 1 to 2 minutes. Number 2. Horsetail tea. This herbal remedy, treasured since ancient times, is beneficial for addressing renal issues. Horsetail tea aids in preventing the buildup of free radicals in the kidneys and has mild diuretic properties to expel toxins. And our number 1 choice, dandelion tea. Often overlooked, dandelion tea is a treasure trove of health benefits, particularly for those managing kidney-related issues. Dandelion tea's diuretic properties help eliminate excess fluid, while its antioxidant compounds combat oxidative stress. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of herbal teas for kidney health. Stay tuned for more health insights. See you in the next video.